Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinma and this is What Mommy Loves. So for today's video, I will be unboxing my Apple Watch Series 4. So now I got this watch for Christmas as a gift to myself. So I got it off eBay, yes. And when I buy stuff from eBay, things like Apple products, I like to get them from eBay because they're super expensive if you have to get it from the Apple store. And don't worry, when we get there, we'll be able to buy it at the bulky price. But babe, at this time, it's good to actually, like, you know, save some money for, you know, rainy days and all of that. I had to get mine from eBay. And when I buy stuff from eBay, I don't just buy nonsense on eBay. Like, no, why would you do that? So I bought this one in excellent condition. So the good thing about buying off of eBay is that sometimes, you know, some people, maybe they just use a watch for like less than a month and then they decide that, you know what, Apple has released a new product, so therefore they want the new product, so they go on eBay and sell off the one they have. And so basically I feel like those sort of people are on eBay selling stuff, and those are the kind of people that I like to buy from. Like this one, the person said he hasn't even used it for a year and that it was in excellent condition, and everything was still like in excellent condition. Really, there was no fault with these products at all. It was just that he wanted to upgrade to the Series 5, so that was why he sold this one at like a fraction of the price, you know. So it was a very good bargain for me, and I just jumped on it because I was on the hunt for like the perfect Apple Watch that suited my budget, and this one was even under my budget, so that was the main reason why I took it. So I was looking for like the Apple Watch Series 3 because my budget wasn't really that much for like a Series 5. But when I saw this one for Series 4 and it was like an auction, and I just said, like, you know what, let me just bid for it because I had a particular budget, and I knew that once I get to that maximum budget, I wouldn't even bid again for that product. And to my surprise, I was the highest bidder and I hadn't even gotten to my maximum budget yet. So it was such a good bargain. Anyway, let me not ramble too much because I really like going straight to the point in my videos, because me too, I don't even like when people ramble too much in videos. Anyway, so I am going to unbox this Apple Watch right now for you guys to see what is in the box. Cannot wait to start using the Apple Watch, so that's why I did this video ASAP, because I need to start using my Apple Watch to keep fit and stay healthy. And that's basically why I bought the Apple Watch, and I wanted to go along with my iPhone. And you know what, I'm really gutted that I did not even unbox my iPhone for you guys to see. I really wish I had unboxed it for you guys to see, because these are the kind of videos that people want to watch. You know, they want to watch you unboxing like Apple products, and I didn't even show you guys that, but you know what, it's fine. I'm showing you guys the Apple Watch today, so let's crack on. So this is the outer packaging, and then this is how it looks like. You can see it is still in brilliant condition, just as it would be if it was brand new. So I'm just gonna pop that open. And as you can see, this is the Series 4 space gray aluminum case, black spot band, 44mm. So I'm just going to pop this open, and this is the gorgeous design of the packaging. I love Apple's gorgeous simple designs, and this one is for the band. So I've got the black spot band, that's what you wrote here, black spot band. So this one is another packaging. It's got like all of this on there, and this is the spot band. This one is another one. This is just like instructions. Okay, so this is the small size of the band. and this is the big size. Okay, so I think I might be using this one because I feel like I've got wide wrists, so I might be using this one instead. Okay, so this is how it looks. And then this one is the watch itself. Let's just move this away. So this is the watch, right? What does it say on here? So let's just open this up. Whoops, something flew out when I was trying to open it. So right, so this was on top of this. Okay, you can see this is empty. This was on top, and this just has a few like manual of like the products, you know, how to operate the product and all of that. So I'm going to read this later after the video just to understand what exactly I have here. And this is the charger to charge the Apple Watch. So it's got a 3-pin plug, which I have opened like this. You just need to push this one up and everything comes open, and then push it down to close. It's such a brilliant design. Apple is known for their brilliance. This is the charger. As you can see, everything still looks super clean and in excellent condition, just as the seller said. And that is what I always look out for when I buy on eBay. I always look for things that are in perfect condition, excellent condition. And this one as well is like the case for the Apple Watch, just as you would have bought it from the Apple store. So it still has the original packaging, and look at how clean the watch is. Of course, it's got a scratch, but that's fine. I don't mind the scratch at all, you know, as long as the Apple Watch does what I need it to do, I'm fine with that. So now I'm just going to try to pop the band inside and see how it works. Okay, I've never tried this before, so I guess it goes in like this. I'm not sure how it goes in, to be fair. Okay, I think I've done that side, and let's try this side. Yeah, I've done this side. So this is the Apple Watch. I love that it's black, you know. I really do not like fancy colors for my watch. Black gold is perfectly fine. The one I've got on is gold, and this one is the Apple Watch. This is how it's going to be on my wrist. I should take this gold one off to try this. So I'm just going to try to set up this Apple Watch right now for you guys to see. Now the charger is magnetic, and that is how it stays. So I'm just going to open this up, and as you guys can see, okay, let's hold it this way and see how it works. Right, I hope you guys can see. Sorry guys if it's not too clear. Okay, so I'm just going to click continue, put on your Apple Watch and hold it to the camera. So I'm just going to put it here. I believe it's meant to be like this. Update your Apple Watch to finish. Update now. So this is like the latest update for my watch, and it says watch OS 6.1.1. so I'm just going to download and install and put my password. Hang on. So I've put in my password, agree, and I'm just going to wait for it to upload. Good. So as you can see, it's just uploaded at the moment. I've paired my Apple Watch to my iPhone. So it says welcome to Apple Watch. My watch, adjust settings, organize apps, and customize your watch faces, face gallery, Apple Watch apps. Okay, so let's say okay to that. So yeah, my watch has been set up. So it is the aluminium 44mm case, face gallery. Let's see what face we would like for this Apple Watch. I'm not quite sure. I want the one that has this circle stuff here, because my main goal for this Apple Watch is to have my activity. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. I like this one. This one looks cute. But I need this. I need this one. Activity analog. Yeah, let's add that there. Good. I like this one as well. This one looks cute. This one looks cute as well. It looks like the Nike one. You could add that there. This looks cute. What else? Let's see. So basically, I've now set up my Apple Watch, and I'm really excited about that. I'm just going to put some apps on the Apple Watch, and then I would see which of the apps I like. And so yeah, this is the Apple Watch. It says your watch is ready, press the digital crown to start. Okay, so it just like vibrated, and so this is how it looks like. It said take a minute to breathe. It's like the Apple Watch knows that I am a bit excited, so I'm just going to wear it on my wrist now and see how well it does. Enjoy the day, Ezinma. Oh, thank you, thank you. It said enjoy the day. Okay, so I'm just gonna wear it. I think I might need the smaller band. I'm not sure. I would have to try the two of them on, but this one is my one, and it looks cool. Okay, so now it says enter passcode, so I'm going to enter the passcode, and it says take a minute to breathe. So let's see what else. What else? So I can't really see anything now. You know what? I'm just going to take like some time to understand the Apple Watch, because I'm a newbie to the Apple Watch and everything about it. But that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a really fun one to document the whole process of unboxing and installing my new Apple Watch. I got the Apple Watch because I want to be fitter in the new year. I want to track my fitness, and I want to be able to meet my fitness goals. I want to be more active. I want to do more walks, more runs, more exercises, eat better, you know, all of those, that good jazz, you know. So yeah, that was the main thing that made me get the Apple Watch, and I'm super excited about it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know anything and everything, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Do you guys like Mommy's new watch? Yeah! It's super cool. I love it.
Can you even ring somebody on that watch?
Yeah, I can ring someone on the watch, and Mommy's going to use it for her exercises. Who's excited to exercise with
me? If you get the watch, remember our video.
Yeah, remember to watch our video if you get the watch. Okay.